Welcome back, guys. This is ilfrod line. I don't know, I should take another bus. I think I should walk. There's a bridge here I can go under. I need to go ilfrod cinema. So guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just doing a couple of videos, ilfrod, and next day maybe somewhere else. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave the comment, and if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. My name is MoStar. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Thank you for everything. Today we're just going ilfrod. Now we're going like ilfrod cinema. Just give me a second. Let me just take this up. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Just going to ilfrod cinema. Hello. Yeah. Okay, I'll be there, I'll be there. Cool. No problem. Thank you. So walk this way. This is car park. I'm going to ilfrod. Ilfrod cinema is just around the corner. That's the travel lodge and the gym. Travel lodge, hotel, and the gym. Nando's. Welcome to Nando's in ilfrod. ilfrod, the building as well here was empty. Now it's building. I ain't come Ilford for the last 3 years. Yeah, 3 years. I ain't come to Ilford. Just Barking, Stratford. Barking, Stratford, Eastham. That's the other place I've been for a long time. But now we're gonna do more video. That's Ilford Cinema. Ilford Cinema, library. They make some little garden in Ilford. So let's go this way and we come out that way. Yeah, this is the library. Yeah. Today the weather is not bad. So hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing to support your boy to try to make more videos. You know, like when I don't make video, when people don't watch my video, I think like, okay, that time I'm going low. I can't make video because I think any video I'll make, people will not watch it. Yeah? But I mean, I need a hand, someone need to make a video with someone, like, you know, street talking, everything about the street, man, because I grew up in the street, so I'm a street boy, but I'm not a bad boy and a street boy. They teach me my manners, I'm okay. So this is Ilford. Fat fast. I don't know what that means. Fat fast. If you go that way, this is Ilford town center. If you go that way, there's McDonald's, charity shop, sports shop, food shop, KFC is there as well. There's a Dixie, there's all the bank around. Here you have shops. I don't know what happened. I see they just pick up someone straight away from the street. Police. I hope I was there watching that. So they nicked the guy straight. Yeah. Fruit and veggie. Sorry. This one lady nearly bumped on me, so I have to say sorry. Respect the ladies. I don't know what happened, but I see they putting someone in a van. JD there. See people watching. Yeah, you've got a lot of shops. You got town center in Ilfrod, Red Bridge and Town Hall. Not bad. They're everywhere in Ilfrod as well. If you do something wrong, you're gonna get your answer. God bless you too, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you too, Baba. You too, Baba. Nice one. The guys, there's one guy got arrested. Yeah, man. What's that guy got arrested? I know. Nice one, man. Yeah, of course, man. Of course, man. Yeah, man. No, no. Nice one, brother. Of course, brother. Nah, they can't be trusted. You have to trust yourself first. You too, brother. Nice one, man. Shopping center, Sweets, Costa. Three, all the networks. Ilfrod Shopping Center. You find a lot of shop here, perfumes. If you enjoyed the video, please give the thumbs up. Expensive glasses look like. Jamaican bowl. Let's go up. See down there where the kids play. Here where they do the art and the kids playing when the dad are doing shopping, and you can leave family, maybe anyone there. That's toilet down there. Next. Good clothes. Good clothes. Next. Who's next? I'm next. I need the next. And this is upside. Nice. Nice, nice. So good. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. Please support your boy to make more videos. Thank you very much for everything. I'll start from today, maybe we make some videos. Nice jackets. Okay, Emanes, where do you want to go? I have to go to the other side to go down. Sport direct. £10 t-shirt. E-R-E-N-D. R-E-N-D. H&M. You have all the shoppings. I live in Barking, but sometimes I feel like going in for it. The kids. You can bring the kids, they enjoy train in a shopping center, yeah? Just put all the family in there, no problem. And everybody will be okay. Enjoy family day out. Ilfrod, if you want to Barking, you see my videos. Enjoy yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to support me. Let's go down to TKMX. Pandora. Expensive, you know. You get one bango for 400, 500. Next there, TKMX. Let's go down to the other side. Okay. You go Burger King, you go the bank. Hey, Burger King is big. You take there, you sit there. Let her enjoy. If you wanna change your money travel change. Shoot. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is MoStar. If you are new here, consider subscribing. That's how you're gonna support me, support your boy to reach the 1,000. For shopping center, it's not bad, you know. It's nice. You can get everything you want. You just come here, lay out and enjoy with a family or friend or yourself. It's up to you what you want to do. But down here, there's a kids playing, there's a restaurant. You can go through TK Maxx. But let's go back here. Guy got good glasses. Bosma, how much your glasses started from?
15 inch 2 for 25. And this one 20 for 25.
What this one? Nice one. Yeah man, yeah. Expensive. 15 to 120. So from 15 pounds to 120 pounds. You can get one for maybe 60 pound glasses, it's not bad. Or 50 pound, 40 pound, as much as you like. You see where is it? It's in ilfrod shopping center. The guy got good glasses. I'm not advertising him, it's lower. I just passed to ask you for the price because I love my glasses. I have one, this one. That one is for my eye and the sun. Sometimes I feel the sun so bad in my eye. Yeah. Come to ilfrod shopping center and enjoy yourself. Or day out, family, friend, yourself. That's nice. We are out the shopping center, so just walking down. If you go that way, it's the cinema. That way is the McDonald's, KFC on the left side. On the right side, you have all this ilfrod. Yes, big man. Yeah? Nice one, big man. Yeah? I still got the other one, the guy gave it to me. I still got the other one, man. Yeah? Nice one, man.
Yes. This is what you read.
Yeah, let me read them, man. Nice one, brother. Yeah, bless you, man. Nice one. Yeah, so the guy just give me some stuff to read, but I don't know, man. If I tell him I'm not a reader, he will feel bad because I know the guy about 3 times I saw him. See, about Jesus. I love Jesus. Jesus is alright. As a prophet, as all prophets. That's what I believe. And they're all good. I don't know how they believe in something else. So this is how we're gonna finish the video soon. Yeah, I want to say thank you for watching and everything. Thank you for your support. We're gonna make more videos soon. Just support your boy. I was from 0 subscriber to 25 now. 26 or so. So I made this video. I left my friends and family somewhere to wait for me to make this video, and they are happy for me to do that, and I am happy for them to support me, and I will never give up whatever I'm doing. So this is ilfrod center. I don't know what they call ilfrod. I should ask someone, but I'm not sure. I think it's ilfrod. Yeah, the train station, ilfrod. I didn't live here, that's what I don't know. Bossman, what do you call this area? Here. Ilfrod? Motwin. Oh, ilfrod Motwin. Yeah? No, I'm just making video. Thank you, man. So ilfrod, not road or not. Yeah. Yeah, that side is Broadway Inn. Yeah, I just meet one of my friends. I was asking. You can introduce yourself, brother. No problem. You can introduce yourself. What's your name?
Danny.
Danny.
Yeah.
My name is Mo. Nice one. Respect for that, man.
Right.
Yes, man. Yeah. I just came to make some video, ilfrod. Yeah, thank you for that, sir. Yeah. Ilfrod Broadway, that side, and that side is the cinema. So, yeah, man. I meet a lot of people today just making this video, and I'm happy to meet people. You know, meet people is good. If you don't meet people, yeah, that's how it is. Me, my videos like that. One day I'll talk about something. Why I'm making my video like this, which I don't worry about if people they like. Me, I'm happy, always happy, always happy. You watch my video, you don't watch, thank you very much.